Welcome to our guide on how to delete a conversation on Messenger on PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily manage your conversations and remove unwanted chats on the Messenger platform. Step 1. Start by opening Messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and conversations. Step 2. Below the Chats section, hover over the conversation that you want to delete from your list of chats. Step 3. Once you hover over the conversation, click on the three dots icon that appears next to the chat to access additional options. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Delete Chat to indicate that you want to remove the conversation from your Messenger account. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. Click Delete Chat again to confirm the deletion. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily delete a conversation on Messenger on your PC and declutter your chat history. Deleting conversations allows you to maintain a tidy and organized messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your conversations and remove unwanted chats on Messenger on PC.